Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can change the language in InVideo AI. In order to do so, here we are at InVideo.io. And if you check the description, there is a link that if you click and you decide to go with a subscription for InVideo, then you'd be helping us out and we would certainly appreciate that. So just check that out in the details. But as far as changing the language in InVideo goes, so you might be wishing to do that for two different reasons. One, either you want to change the language of the actual interface itself, or you're looking to create something in a specific language. I can tell you from experience that having tried to change the language in my browser, so here if we go to the translate option in Google Chrome, then it won't change the language. It doesn't seem like it has that capability just yet. But if you are looking to change the language of your video, then if we go to create a video here, then you can see that it says, give me a topic, premise, and detailed instructions in any language. So all you have to do is just make sure that the details that you add here are in the language that you want the video to be in. And if you're going to use a script, then you're going to want to make sure that the script is in the language that you're looking to do as well. So you'll have to do that outside of InVideo, but you can bring that in. And let's just take a look at the results here. So if we go to the 3-menu bar, you can see here that I have already created a video in Spanish, and so let's just go ahead and give that a quick look.
¿Por qué al 70% de los sudamericanos les parece que sus países están al borde de una revolución política? En los últimos años, Sudamérica ha vivido una ola de cambios políticos apasionantes. Desde líderes audaces hasta políticas innovadoras, la región está llena de energía y posibilidades. Tomemos como ejemplo a Chile. El país está reescribiendo su constitución, buscando una mayor igualdad y protección ambiental. Mientras tanto, Colombia está avanzando con
So there you go. That gives you an idea of what the results are going to be like in a different language. And InVideo has some great visuals to go along with whatever script you might have for it. And again, if you want to help the channel out, check out the description, click on the link, and we would certainly appreciate it. And I highly recommend InVideo. I think it is a great platform for anybody who wants to create educational videos, tutorials, anything of that sort. You can even create animated movies as well. So some really cool potential here with this. It is more directed towards tutorials and informational type videos, but you can do it for use it for some other stuff as well. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.